Hello, hello. I believe we are live. Oh, this is going to be challenging with the delay, but here we go. We're going to try no matter what, okay? All right, so, hi. Okay. 3 reasons why home bakers fail. Welcome to Ask Chef Letty. I am Chef Letty, and this is my first live stream, you guys, so thank you for joining me. I am here to help you if you're a home baker. I'm here to help you start your business, manage your business, or grow your business if that is what you'd like to do. So let's get started with today's topic. Can you guess the 3 mistakes most home bakers make when they're starting their home business? Drop it in the chat. If you are on, go ahead and drop it in the chat. And you know what? In the meantime, I'm gonna have to fix my internet for going live. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay. So, mistake number 1, as we mentioned, is that home bakers do not market or brand. Now, what does that mean, right? Marketing and branding your small business is critical to setting yourself up for success. So when you don't do enough marketing of your business, or you don't brand your business well enough, it's really hard to be successful in our niche, okay? In your small baking business area. So if you don't have a marketing plan or a branding plan for your business, it would be a great time to start one. And it's super simple, home business owners, because we are intimidated by the process, right? And so when you don't market your business, or you don't brand yourself enough to be standing apart from the rest of the competition, it is really difficult to make money in our home baking businesses. So it's very common that home bakers don't do this for a various amount of reasons. All right, let me